Trying to set up your BlinkSync module only to run into the irritating fail to connect message? This issue can appear during installation or after changing network settings, making it difficult for your Blink cameras to communicate properly. Fortunately, connection problems are often caused by temporary Wi Fi interruptions or setup errors rather than a faulty device. In many situations, a BlinkSync module fail to connect problem can be resolved without replacing any hardware. Before assuming the module is defective or changing random settings, these are the steps you can try to fix this and restore a successful connection. 1. Disconnect the BlinkSync module from power and restart your Wi Fi router. 2. Plug the sync module back in and wait until the status lights stabilize. 3. Make sure your phone is connected to the same 2.4 GHz Wi Fi network used during setup. 4. Open the Blink app and repeat the module setup process carefully. 5. Confirm that the sync module appears online and that your cameras communicate normally.